Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. It's time for making some super simple and adorable butterfly pop-up cards. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So I'm going to be using some green card, some orange and some black paper. Now, if you don't have black paper, that's fine. Use white paper and, colour in your butterflies as you wish. Now, I also decided that it would be easier for myself to draw myself a little stencil. So I spent a little bit of time doing a butterfly first, just because I thought it would help with the final design. But you can try and do it freehand, or if you want, maybe drop me a message and maybe I can make a template of this. But we'll see how that goes. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a strip of paper, the width of that butterfly. Do you remember doing paper chains when you were little? Not paper chains, what are they called? Those sort of paper doll chains. So the key thing with that is that you have a fold which is exactly the width of your design. So I'm going to do a fold, which I think that's about 3.5 centimeters. And it's going to be exactly the width. It's got to go to both sides. And then you make enough folds to have 3 butterflies. So that's the first butterfly. So 2 folds, 3, that makes the second butterfly. 4 and 5. And that should give us 6 parts. So cut this off. Here we go, so 6 folds. Now it's really important that the lines all line up on both sides. Otherwise your paper chain will fall apart. Now the edge of your butterfly will go on the open side, and this is the closed side. You can either, I made my fold a bit too small, so I'm going to just have to make my butterfly bigger as I cut. That's fine. You can either trace it out again, or just cut like I am. So I'm going to make my butterfly just a little bit bigger because the edge is really important. That's fine. We're just going to have a bigger butterfly craft. Like I mentioned, it has to come and touch at the edge, otherwise you won't have a neat, you won't have your chain. You'll have individual butterflies, which is also nice, but won't make your pop up. So this edge is really important, as is this one. Let's open it up. Ta-da! That's so cute. Look at our little butterflies. So I'm just going to make sure they're all nice and neat. Here we go. And now it's time to decorate them. So I thought it'd be really fun to use the orange, and then we'll add some little black details as well. So we're going to need a shape in here, which will probably look, let's see, let's cut one out and see if I like the look of it, and then I'll cut some more. It's probably a bit big. Yeah, I'm happy with that there. And now I'm going to need a similar one at the top. Ooh, let's see. This is the thing, isn't it, when you're winging it, you have to kind of work it out as you go along. So, get it? Winging it, butterfly, winging it. Yeah, I know, a bit sad. Here we go. I think that works. They look cute. So I'm going to make copies of that. I'll need 6 of those, and I'll need 6 of those. Have it, 6 of each. Get my glue stick, glue them down. And then finally, you can either leave it like that, because I think they look great already, or, it's just really about decorating and sort of stopping when you feel the need to stop. But I kind of want these to look a bit like monarch butterflies. So I'm also going to just take a little bit of white paint and put some dots in a sort of monarch butterfly style. So my butterflies have dried now. Don't they look adorable? Before you do any gluing, just check that it fits. and fold and open. There we go. Aren't they great? Now, a tiny bit smaller would have been better, but you saw I didn't do my super neat folds at the beginning, so I kind of have only myself to blame. Now, one last thing to do. You don't have to do this, but I think it's quite sweet. I'm going to put some blades of grass at the bottom of my card, just to give it a kind of a bit of contrast and a bit of colour. And I'm going to trim these off. And then the moment of truth, time to glue down the butterflies. Okay, so fold them over, make sure your antennae are nicely folded. Glue on both sides. Find your position. You have to do them quite straight though, because well, actually you can bend it a little bit. You just make sure that the folds here fold in nicely. Push it down and you have your butterfly card finished. Aren't they cute? Now, if you like this video, as per usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.